Hi guys! Magluluto po tayo ng chicken satay. So, nag-marinate po ako ng chicken breast with satay sauce. Mag-gisa lang po tayo ng onion at saka garlic. Halu-haluin lang natin ng konti hanggang mag-coated yung onion sa oil at malambot yung onion. Then, isunod natin yung garlic. Minamarinate ko itong chicken breast guys sa satay na sauce for overnight. Kung nagmadali kayo, kung wala kayong time, pwede naman at least 1 hour or 30 minutes, okay na yun. Then, pagkatapos ilunod natin yung garlic, halu-haluin natin ng konti hanggang mag-ano na yung medyo ano na yung garlic, maamoy na. And then, isunod natin yung chicken. This is my own version na chicken satay. Madali lang po ito lutuin. I-marinate mo yan. Kung wala kayong chicken breast, pwede yung chicken thigh fillets guys. Mas masarap ang chicken thigh fillets kasi mayroong fat. Itong chicken breast is wala talagang fat. So, naubusan na akong chicken thigh fillet. So, ito na yung ang ginagamit ko. Okay naman ito, chicken breast. Ayan, halu-haluin na natin ng konti. Pagkatapos, just make it sure na hindi siya ma-overcook. And then, takpan lang natin ang yung frying pan. Make it sure na din yung apoy is medyo, it's a high volume ang apoy. Takpan natin just about 1 minute. Hanggang maluto na yung karne. So, don't overcook yung chicken breast kasi pag ma-overcook, medyo a bit dry siya guys. Kaya nga, i-high volume natin yung, yung apoy. Katapos, yan, just open the lid and then halu-haluin ng konti. Leave it there for another minute. So, madali lang ito guys. Medyo luto na ito yung karne. Tikman natin. Sarap guys. Ainit. This is my own version na chicken satay. Madali lang po ito lutuin guys. Pwede na kayo mag-marinate ng chicken breast or chicken thigh fillets. Masarap po ito siya i-serve with basmati rice. So, this is done. Patayin na natin yung apoy. Hanggang dito na lang tayo guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!